Right, let's do a quick overview of this Beko B300 dishwasher. I don't know what model it is because I can't find a sticker yet. It has got stuff in it, so I'll just ignore that. We're not going to focus on inside apart from his little tab ring and the rinse aid. Salt in there, which I'm not going to show because it's got stuff in. So we've got Eco 50, which can have fast, extra drying, and there's time delay. These buttons aren't really good. And then we've got auto, which can have, you can't have fast, but you can have extra dry. Intensive, you can have fast and extra dry. Quick and shine, no fast, you can have extra dry. Mini 35, sorry, no fast, extra dry. Pre-wash, no fast, no extra dry. Oh, these buttons are absolutely terrible. There we go. That's pretty much it.